Hey guys, Christmas soon, and in this video will be magic. This little cupcake will turn into a big cupcake. Today is not an ordinary video. I will make 2 cupcakes, and one of them can be eaten. I wanted to make something original, and I hope you will like my idea and this video, so support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And let's start! I will use such mold for cupcake. I leave link in description how to make this mold. Use polymer clay. Moisten inside with water a little bit, so the clay doesn't stick. Piece of clay mix with liquid Fimo. It will be chocolate. And now to make all details. Bake in oven. This is gold foil from on the chocolate. Also, I made this plate from polymer clay. So miniature Christmas cute cupcake! As I said today, an unusual video. Let's make real tasty chocolate Christmas cupcake. I need egg, sugar, butter, milk, cocoa, baking powder, flour. I will write in description under the video a more detailed recipe. Put the dough in special forms. And bake in oven. smear with melted chocolate. And decorate this cupcake. This is marmalade. I need this white side. So, that's all! Friends, are you waiting for Christmas? I love Christmas so much and I'm always waiting for this holiday. Big thanks for watching me. Please share this video with friends and see you soon. Bye!